Good morning, children. Before starting, I would like to ask you, who was Birbal? So, can anyone answer me? Who was Birbal? Yes, Birbal was a advisor and main commander of army in the court of the Mughal Emperor Akbar. He was a very well-known poet as well as singer. Moreover, he is mostly known in India for the folk tales which focus on his wit or wisdom. Today, I am going to tell you a story about two merchants. So here in this story, we will come to know how Birbal made a man give back what he had borrowed from his friend. Birbal was known for his keen intelligence, fair-mindedness and proximity to the emperor. Citizens seeking justice often came to Birbal, particularly when Akbar was away from the city. So already I have told you that Birbal was a very intelligent courtier in the court of Akbar. He was fair-mindedness. Fair-mindedness means ability to treat everyone equally. And proximity. Proximity means he was always friendly to each and everyone and he used to be very close to everyone. In the particular instance, Birbal was trying to resolve a dispute between two merchants. So, here is a story about the two merchants who will come to Birbal to ask for the justice between their dispute. Dispute is nothing but a problem or a fight between two people. So, they will, one of the man will named Ramchand will approach to Birbal and he will tell about his problem. So whenever Akbar was out from his kingdom, people used to come to Birbal with their problems. One day, a man named Ramchand will come to him and tell Birbal that he had given 1500 rupees to his friend without any proof. And now that friend of him, that is Jawla Prasad, is refusing to return his money. No return receipt for the 1500 rupees that you say you lent your friend Jawla Prasad and no witness to the transaction. And Birbal was much astonished to hear that the man, that is the Ramchand, has lent 1500 rupees for his friend without any proof or receipt. No, Huzur. Jawla Prasad is a fellow merchant as well as a friend. He needed the money and promised to return it within 6 months. So I lent it to him. I thought he would honor his word, but he refuses even to remember what happened. So the Ramchand will become very much sad and he will tell Birbal that he is not only a fellow merchant. Fellow merchant means those who will work in the same field is called as the fellow merchant. So he is a fellow merchant as well as his friend. Because he trusted his friend, he has not taken any of the proof from him nor he kept any receipt for him. So he thought that he will keep his word and he will return the money. But now he is telling that he is not remembering that he had given money to him. So after hearing this, write down all that you have told me and sign it. I will see what I can do. After hearing to Ramchand, Birbal will ask Ramchand to write and give each and every word what he had spoken now. I must send for Jawla Prasad, the second merchant. Let me see what he has to say about the matter. So after listening to the Ramchand and after taking the letter from him, now he will think to call Jawla Prasad so that he can know what the other merchant is going to tell. So the other merchant, that is Jawla Prasad, will also come to Birbal. Read this. All lies, your lordship, all lies. I thought Ramchand was my friend. I have helped him so many times and this is how he repays me. I know his shop is not doing well, but this is not the way. So when the Jawla Prasad will come, Birbal will hand over the letter what the Ramchand has written. So he will hand over the same letter to Jawla Prasad. So Jawla Prasad will take the letter and he will read it. So after reading, he will become angry. Angry, and he will tell that he refuses that he has not taken any money from him. So he tells that Ramchand is lying. He has not given any money to me. So you deny that Ramchand lent you 1500 rupees which you promised to return within 6 months. So Birbal will ask this Jawla Prasad. So you deny means you refuse to agree that you have taken 1500 rupees from Ramchand, which you had promised to return within 6 months. So Ramchand will tell, I absolutely deny it, your honor, and surely he would have taken a receipt from me if he had lent me such a large sum. Why does he not produce that receipt? So here Jawla Prasad will tell, no Huzur, he has not given me the money. If he had given me the money, then surely he would have given me the receipt also, or he would have kept any proof, but there is no any proof or receipt with him for the money he has given. He says he did not take a receipt. That is the problem. Thank you for coming. I am sorry for wasting your time. So next day, Birbal will call the other man, that is the Ramchand, and tells he cannot help him because he has not taken any receipt for the money, nor he has any proof. Raja Sahib, I am your humble servant. So now this man, the Ramchand, will become very much sad and upset, and he pleads Birbal for justice. He will tell, just give me some justice. I have not taken any proof, but I am not lying. I am telling the truth. So please give me the justice. You remember Ramchand and Jawla Prasad sent both the merchants a large jar of ghee each with a request that they sell the ghee for me after checking its purity. So the next day, Birbal will make a plan. He calls his servant and tells him to send a large jar of ghee. Ghee means butter. You know butter, no? So ghee means butter. He will tell the servant to send a large jar of ghee to each merchant and ask them to sell it for him. As per the order, the servant will deliver both the merchants with a large jar of ghee. So on heating the ghee, both Ramchand and Jawla Prasad discovered a gold mohor at the bottom of the jar. So when both of them will receive the large jar of ghee, now they have to check the purity, isn't it? So without heating, we cannot sell the ghee. Directly the butter can't, we cannot know the purity of the ghee. So both of them will, what they will do? They will heat the ghee to check its purity. After heating, both will discover a gold coin at the bottom of the jar. Now, what will the merchants do with the gold coin? We will continue it in the next class. Thank you, children.